Why are wealthy people quietly buying gold when everyone else is focused on stocks, crypto, and AI? It might not be because they expect the economy to collapse. Gold has something most investments don't. It has been used as a store of value for thousands of years. When investors become worried about inflation, unstable markets, or economic uncertainty, gold can become more attractive. But here's the interesting part: millionaires usually aren't putting all their money into gold. They use it as one small part of a much larger strategy. Stocks can grow wealth, real estate can generate income, and businesses can create massive returns. Gold serves a different purpose. It can act as a form of financial insurance when other assets become unpredictable. So the next time you see gold prices rising, remember, it isn't always about people trying to get rich. Sometimes, the wealthiest investors are simply trying to protect what they already have.